My name is Stephanie Labonte, and this is my updated submission for Deliverable 3 for the Visual Communications in the Media course. I have been assigned the task of creating two separate logos for my company, Treasured Moments, a wedding boutique that serves customers on a global scale. For this task, I've been asked to create a logo for an American advertisement as well as an Indian advertisement too. The first thing I want to do is ensure that my imaging matched the industry my company falls within. First, we are going to discuss the American logo, as seen above. I have included two different sizes of my logo to demonstrate the scalability of the logo. No matter how big you need to make the logo, the message being delivered remains the same and the logo is not compromised. I chose the image of a bride and groom together because of its ability to be recognized for what it is and the connection it has to the business concept in general. I chose to use a silhouette for the people in the image so that we were not just inclusive to one race or another. It is important that all races feel a connection with the logo, and by using a silhouette, we reduce the probability of any person feeling not included or that this company is not for them. I chose a bold font because of its ability to stand out from far away and its ability to grab the viewer's eye. In America, white is the color that is associated with weddings and the idea of purity. Black is the color that is often connected with formal wear, which is part of the business's operation, so I found it rather fitting overall. I chose to use a font with curved lines to give off a graceful, playful vibe because I want the potential customers to know that that is our style. I used an image of a traditional bride with her groom embracing her to create an emotional connection with the viewers. The long white dress has an iconic meaning of a bride and further connects brides to choose to utilize our services for their special moment. When considering the Indian logo, I wanted to be sure to remain using an image that represented marriage within their community. In the Indian community, white is not the traditional color for weddings. In their culture, red and yellow are the colors most often used during marriage ceremonies, so I made sure to use these colors in my logo. I also made sure that I used an image that was representative of the event we specialize in. During Indian weddings, there is a fire that is burning by the feet of the man and woman, symbolizing the sacrament that marriage is in their country. Within that culture, potential customers would know immediately what business we are in and what services we provide. Again, I ensured that my logo was scalable and that no matter the size of the logo, that the integrity of the logo would remain unscathed. Again, I chose curvy lines to emphasize a more playful, relaxed environment, and I chose to use a bold font to allow the letters to stand out against the imaging. Both of my logos are strong and represent their communities that they are to be displayed within. Both logos have a balance within the imaging and the lettering to ensure that the image is not clunky and is pleasing to the eyes. Both of my logos represent the business accurately and are visually appealing to potential clients. Thank you for your time.